Hey y'all, what's up? What's good? It is your girl Haley Elise. Thank you so much for tuning in as always. Okay y'all, I know. It's been a minute, 5 months, almost 6 months since my last update about me getting laid off. I'm back with another update. Y'all, let's get into it. First of all, let's peep this shirt real quick. Y'all see what it says? Afro Baby Boutique. Okay. And I'm sure y'all are like, okay sis, that's cute. What you doing, selling t-shirts? I'm not. Instead, Afro Baby Boutique is where I now work at as a professional loctician. Stylist, where I do all the things, where I make all the magic, as y'all see. That's right, y'all. I am a hairstylist now, and that's what I wanted to talk to y'all about, okay? I'm still trying to get the word out. The way you can find this information, I'm gonna put it all in the description box. But also, if you're not following me on Instagram, who are you following? Like, I don't understand. Y'all need to be following me on there because that's where you're gonna see all my work, all the updates. So a lot more content is being produced right now on Instagram versus on YouTube. Plus, I have some other projects coming in the very near future and I don't want y'all to miss out. But I did want to come on here to just tell y'all what I'm doing with my life, okay? So I've been at the salon for between 1 and 2 months. How did this happen? Y'all remember when I went to the Talia Wajid World Natural Hair Show? Pause. If you don't know that I went, it's because you don't follow me on Instagram. I actually was doing like live updates, behind the scenes, all types of things with that event. So again, make sure you go back and see the reels, see all the cool stuff that I did there. But anyways, I actually met the owner at a lock class while at the hair show. Y'all, I absolutely love Lauren. So dope, such a great person. And the fact that she's like stood in the gap to also mentor me in the industry as a hairstylist, but more specifically a loctician. I'm just so here for it, okay? Things are actually going really well. Definitely thought I would have had a full-time job by now, you know, back in corporate. The way life be life. I have yet to find a full-time role, so I'm doing hair now, basically full-time in the salon, and I also work at a Black-owned beauty supply store. Y'all, it's been keeping me busy, but I had to come on here to update y'all. So if y'all got locks, y'all want to start locks, know somebody who needs their locks redone, hit me up. Okay, we also do color. Y'all, we have come a long way. I remember when I started on YouTube as just a lonely natural hair vlogger trying to figure out the natural hair world, then going to cosmetology school, and now y'all, I am a hairstylist for real. Definitely was stressed at first because I'm like, oh, this serious. But I absolutely love it. I think I'm gonna lock my hair up soon because the girlies, they be doing it out here with their locks, and I'm trying to be gang too. But anyways, thank y'all so much for tuning in. As always, I can't wait to see y'all next time.